Welcome back to Umbria. I'm Danilo Romolini and today we are in Todi, precisely in Piazza del Popolo. Before talking about the property, let's first get a coffee. I always start my day with an espresso, and today I want to start this tour in the main square of Todi. The property we're gonna view is just 20 minutes away from the city center, immersed in the countryside. Come with me. And here we are on the hills of the Umbrian countryside. This is a fully restored traditional farmhouse with its dependence and wellness center, a swimming pool, garden and olive grove. Let's go and have a look. The property is easily accessed via a well-maintained unpaved road that is really close to the town of Todi and to other Umbrian towns like Perugia, which is 50 minutes of car away, and Assisi, which is an hour away of drive. And it is also very close to the airports like the one in Perugia and the one in Rome. The property is made up externally of 2.3 hectares of land with garden, olive grove, and this beautiful swimming pool area with a 12 by 6 meter swimming pool, and just below we find a barbecue area to have fun with friends. And this is the 12 by 6 swimming pool. This area is paved in solid stone, and over there we find it paved in wood, bringing to the showers and to a bathroom. Scattered around the property, you can find all the fruits that you could be looking for. There are apple trees, fig trees, cherry trees, and shortly we'll be in the period of oil production. And thanks to your olive trees, you can produce your own oil. Let's now talk about the buildings. There is the main farmhouse that is original and antique and that has been fully restored. And then there is the dependence that has been constructed keeping all the original details typical from this region. Let's now go and view the main farmhouse. Let's first have a look at the farmhouse externally. You can notice that this part has been built first, and it's the antique one, and in the end we find the little corner that has been built afterwards by keeping all the original stone details, and therefore the only difference you can notice is the color of the stone. A very interesting aspect of owning a property immersed in nature like this one is that you can enjoy all the different seasons throughout the year. In fact, in Italy, every season is very well defined. When it's summer, there are certain colors and a certain temperature. When it's autumn, the leaves fall and it's a bit windier. And when it's cold, during winter, it snows. So you get to enjoy the property under so many different aspects. And I think that's such a beautiful thing. One characteristic from this type of country house is that they have this loggia with the external stairs. That's because originally the owner would live on the first floor and would have its independent access. And on the ground floor you would have the space for the animals. And another interesting aspect is that most rooms on the ground floor have the access directly to the exterior area. In fact, here you can get to this pergola and enjoy your dinners and lunches al fresco. Over there we also find a sitting area. Let's now have a look inside. As soon as you walk in, you find yourself in the living area. It has a very country and young style, which I really like. This is the living area, and over here we find a TV room for the kids. Through here we pass to this bathroom and to this bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Here we are inside the dining area that has its entrance connected to the outside, and over here there is the kitchen that brings to the pergola we've seen before. A nice characteristic of the internal spaces of the house is that every room is connected, so from each room you can go around the house very easily. Let's now go upstairs and see all the bedrooms. We're now on the first floor of the farmhouse. Here we find one bedroom with bunk beds for kids that has one ensuite bathroom. Over here we find two bedrooms. This one has even its own fireplace. There is another one down here. And they share one bathroom. Over here we find a stunning master bedroom. It has the terracotta floors and the mezzanine floor. And in the end, there is this huge bathroom. I love how the terracotta floor is uninterrupted from the bedroom and it keeps going through the bathroom. Also, this big mirror nearly doubles the size of the bathroom. Another characteristic about this master bedroom is that it has direct access to the outside thanks to the external stairs. So it has independent access and you can go outside. Let's now go and view the dependance and wellness center. And here we are by the dependance with wellness center. It is laid out onto two floors with 140 square meters in total. The ground floor has a kitchen, the spa, and a bathroom. Outside we find one pergola with the ping pong table, and over here another one with this outdoor living area. Let's go and have a look inside. And look at this spa. There is the emotional shower here, the sauna, and here in the middle we could consider it a little gym. Over here we find the jacuzzi. And here we find the kitchen with its direct access to the pergola outside with the ping pong table. And here its bathroom. Through these stairs we also find the independent access of the apartment, so you can use the apartment and the spa independently. Let's go upstairs and view the bedrooms. And here we are on the first floor of the dependance. Here we find a little living area. Down here a bedroom. And over here another bedroom. And here is the bedroom, perfect to host friends. Down there we also find a bathroom. And here we are ending the tour of this property. A special property that has been loved and taken care of throughout the years. Perfect for someone looking for a turnkey opportunity to enjoy with friends and family. I hope you enjoyed this tour. See you next time.